Hello, I'm Shikha Yadav. You're watching Agri Business News. Let's start with the latest updates. Sonalika has replaced its previous sales benchmarks and clocked best ever performance, recording more than 1 lakh overall tractor sales in just 9 months of FY 2022. Sonalika is a leading tractor company in India that caters to the global demands of agri-mechanization and continues to address farmers' region-specific requirements with advanced yet affordable technology-equipped tractors. Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited has organized a farmer training program in Satna, Madhya Pradesh. CFCL is an Indian agrochemicals manufacturing company based in Kota, Rajasthan, and is the largest manufacturer of urea in the private sector with an installed capacity of 1.5 million tons per annum. Origin Agritech Limited, an agriculture technology company, has signed a collaborative agreement with Baodao Feed Limited, a Chinese feed producer, to commercialize nutrition-enhanced corn. The corn variety that Origin brings to the collaboration is very desirable for feedstock as it contains 160% higher crude fat content than conventional corn, as well as higher amino acid content, eliminating the need for costly additives. ID Fresh Food, a food products company based in Bangalore, has raised rupees 507 crores in a Series D round of funding from Newquest Capital Partners and Premji Invest. PC Mustafa, co-founder and CEO of ID Fresh Food, said, "We will expand our presence across channels and geographies, strengthen our supply chain practices, and introduce innovative products that will redefine the packaged fresh food space not just in India but across the globe." Cure Foods, a cloud kitchen startup, has acquired 5 more brands to strengthen its direct-to-consumer play and create a house of brands on its platform. The Bengaluru-based startup has brought brands like Juno's Pizza and White Kitchens to strengthen its Tier 2 presence and expand to new geographies. AgroFresh, a market leader in the post-harvest segment, has rolled out technologies that make sure fruits and vegetables maintain freshness and quality as they make their way along the supply chain, minimizing food waste. Clint Lewis, CEO of AgroFresh, said that the Philadelphia-based company has been flexing its innovation muscles in recent years, rolling out new solutions, applications, and digital technologies to help keep production moving during the pandemic. Agriculture Minister of Punjab Sardar Randeep Singh Nabha has launched the Farm Machinery app of Punjab Agricultural University during the Farm Expo organized for the farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. Dr. G.S. Mahal, Director of Extension Education at PAU, while sharing the benefits and importance of the app, said this app will bridge the gap between the farmers who want machinery and the farmers who are into custom hiring of farm machinery. APIDA has been working with farmers and state governments to ensure a credible supply chain of honey for export to Europe and other countries. M. Angamuthu, chairman of APIDA, said, "We are working in close collaboration with the state governments, farmers and other stakeholders in the value chain to boost exports to other countries and regions such as the UK, European Union and Southeast Asia." For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.